What is up, Facebook? Sunday, not morning, afternoon. Kamolyfe in the house. Where we at, guys?
We're in Lake Mead.
Lake Mead, Las Vegas, Nevada.
And who is this? What's going on, Niecy?
Hey, what's going on?
Where you been hiding?
I've been hiding. Here.
What's going on, Donna?
It's hot.
It's hot in her.
Hot out here. Hot out.
Oh, and guess who we found?
Jamal.
Jamal! Ah, come on, I need some more energy, brother.
What's up, y'all? On our 12 noon hike.
I know. This is an un-Kamolyfe hike. What's going on, Francine?
I already have.
I think this is the latest we started hiking ever.
And why?
Why did we start so
What's
late?
the excuse?
There's no excuse. We drove 300 miles to come see you.
Yes. Did you party? No comment, please.
Look at that water. Shout out to the rest of the Kamolyfe family. Countdown to Catalina. Jamal, how many more days we got?
18.
18 more days.
18 more days.
All right. So I got 18 days to get the beach body together. What's going on, dude? Hey, Monica.
Show me tunnel.
Oh.
No, not that.
Wait, we can't show you the tunnel.
There's the tunnel.
There's the tunnel.
Tunnel 4.
We'll take him to the tunnel.
Tunnel 4.
We don't want any incriminating evidence.
Don't see no body.
So what's the name of this trail?
It is historic railroad, historic trail. Lake, was it Lake Mead or Hoover Dam? It was Lake Mead. We're on our way to Hoover Dam.
Yeah, we're on our way to Hoover Dam. So we're being adventurous this morning, heading to tunnel number 4. But
Jump in the back.
oh yeah, we got bats.
It was short.
Hot out here.
Yeah, a little hot.
It's hot out here.
It's about 90 degrees. As we always preach, safety first. Don't do what we doing today. But like we do for every hike, we over prepare, so we got tons of water, hat, sunblock, all that good stuff. Jamal is carrying about 80 bottles of water. I still have a signal.
Tunnel number 4.
Yeah. What's going on, Christine?
Christine.
Yeah,
My Christine?
you're Christine.
Hi, Christine! I miss you.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What's up, Stoonie?
And there is tunnel.
All right.
Is that the author student?
It is the one and only. Morning, Teresa. I think we're gonna let this live play for a little bit. So if we need to be rescued, y'all know where we are. Yes, we need to be at the water. So if y'all know somebody who's got a boat up at Lake Mead, hit us up. We want to be on it right now.
Good picture.
What's up, Faja?
Hey, Sasha. 1 year in Phoenix.
Yeah.
We're celebrating for you.
The water is super blue. I love it.
We gonna make it to Hoover Dam? What do we gotta do? 6 tunnels? Oh, and we'll be at the dam?
No.
No?
We gotta go another mile.
All right.
Mile two.
Or two.
At least a mile, you'll see probably where we stop. And then you'll see where we are. You're gonna be
What's going on, Travis?
I'll be on this.
Let me get some screen time. Nisi is trying to kill us.
No. It's not my fault. I woke y'all up at 7 o'clock.
Then he gave us that big old breakfast.
Bacon, eggs,
Yeah.
biscuits. Yep. Going on to tunnel number 5.
Tunnel number 5. Here we come.
As you can see, no one's on the trail but us.
Yeah, nobody's crazy like we are. We got to be the trendsetters. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. So I cannot wait for us to get to Catalina.
Right?
Yep.
18 more? What are we eating?
Yeah, we do need something good. Oh wait, we got a
We're
public.
always thinking about food on the trail.
So we got a public service announcement. Never eat chicken gizzards at a gas station.
Never. If it's
Yes, Jamal, no chicken gizzards.
He's running ahead for a reason. What is he doing? Look at him.
Where is he going?
Right. Now that tunnel. I know, because it curves.
Oh,
Dark.
shucks. All right. So we going deep in a dark tunnel.
Did you say this was a
Watch
railroad
out
track?
for the back, huh?
You say this was a railroad track?
Go ahead, tell them, Donna. Give them the history.
The history of these
I
tunnels.
think the history is these were railroad tracks that brought materials and things to build Hoover Dam.
Oh man, we going dark. All right, somebody hold my hand.
Watch out for the back.
Oh, this one's serious.
That's because it curves. So you can't see.
All right, if something happened, some boogeyman, bats.
Yo, boogie, baby.
Ooh yeah. Like, all right, we back online. All right, where are we coming out at? It's $1 million question.
Historic railroad trail. This is during daylight hours only. Stay on trail.
I'm still live. I'm still live. Tell you, they gotta find us if something happens. All right. Well, it looks like we're done with this section. All right. So we'll pick this back up. Stay tuned. Laters. And we are out.